Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So, let's just cut straight to the chase. Today, we're talking about a phone that has literally shaken the tech world to its core. People are losing their minds over this thing. And let me tell you right now, this is not just another smartphone. This is the kind of device that makes you go, okay, this is absolute insanity. Picture this. You've got a phone in your hand, but this thing is about to flip your entire photography world upside down. We're talking about a concept smartphone that completely redefines camera tech, the Sony Xperia Alpha. Yeah, we've all seen triple cameras, quad cameras, heck, even penta camera setups on phones. But did anyone ever think a company would drop a full-on, professional-grade variable aperture lens system on a smartphone? We're talking physically opening and closing the aperture, just like a real DSLR. Sounds crazy, right? Well, the reality could be even wilder. So, in today's video, we're diving into how this phone could completely transform the photography experience. Let's get into it. Design and build. First up, let's talk about that insane design. Guys, this concept is so unique, I've genuinely never seen anything like it in my entire career. On the front, it looks like a modern flagship, just a massive, stunning display. But the real story is on the back. Sony designed the rear panel with a totally different vibe. And yeah, I'm not joking. This is that powerful, variable aperture lens you'd normally see on a professional photographer's camera. Just imagine the looks you'd get when you pull this out. People are gonna be like, bro, is that a camera or a phone? And you'll just smile and say, both. Yeah, it might have a little weight to it, but that weight is gonna feel like pure, unshakable quality. We're not even talking aluminum or plastic here. The body shell, grade 5 titanium alloy, the same stuff used in the aerospace industry. So it's lightweight, but also so tough it'd probably put a dent in the ground if you dropped it. And Sony usually gives us IP68 on their flagships, but this time we're expecting IP69K. That means not just dust and water resistant, but you can literally hit it with a high pressure water jet. Go ahead, wash it off. Plus, you're getting a dedicated camera grip, similar to the Xperia Pro lineup, but this time it's gonna be magnetic. It'll have its own shutter button, zoom rocker, and video record button. This thing is giving you the full camera experience. Pro-grade camera setup. Now let's talk about the soul of this phone, that variable aperture camera system. I'm gonna get a little technical here, but I'll keep it simple. You've seen phones with multiple lenses, but this would be the first time a phone packs a single, professional-grade lens system. We're talking a massive 1.2-inch CMOS sensor. That's nearly 12 times larger than your average phone camera sensor. Bigger sensor means it captures way more light, so you'll be pulling off crystal clear, daylight quality shots in pitch black night conditions. Noise. What noise? And then there's the variable aperture. This lens physically adjusts from f1.2 all the way to f5.6. Want that creamy, professional background blur for a portrait? Crack it wide open to f1.2. Shooting a landscape or a huge group photo and need everything in focus. Close it down to f5.6. That's the kind of control you only get with a professional DSLR. Zoom. Because this is a high-resolution sensor, you're getting 10x optical quality zoom. Imagine taking a photo of a mountain, zooming in, and seeing the texture on a bird's feathers from a mile away. In digital zoom, we're talking 200x hybrid zoom. And video, this thing could record in 12K. Yeah, 8K is old news. You'll be shooting short films in 12K resolution. Throw in 4K slow-mo at 240 FPS, and full HD slow-mo at a mind-boggling 960 FPS. On the software side, Sony's signature Cinema Pro, Photography Pro, and Music Pro apps are back, but in a crazy upgraded version. Real-time eye tracking for humans and animals, AI-based scene detection, you get pro-level controls, but even auto mode will blow your mind. Display. So the question is, what kind of screen do you need to do justice to photos and videos captured with this beast? The answer is an unmatched display. We're looking at a 6.9-inch Bravia XR 4K HDR OLED panel. I mean, 4K makes sense when you're viewing 12K footage, right? This display will show 1 billion colors, so you're seeing every shade exactly as it exists in the real world. Add a 144 Hz refresh rate, and everything, scrolling, gaming, watching videos, is buttery smooth. Peak brightness, up to 5000 nits. You could be editing photos or watching videos in direct sunlight without squinting. And protecting this gorgeous screen is Corning Gorilla Glass Armor, which not only keeps it safe from drops but also drastically cuts down reflections. Performance. Now think about this: to handle professional-grade photos, 12K videos, and that massive screen, you're gonna need some serious horsepower. We're talking supercomputer-level stuff. The heart of this phone would be the most powerful processor on the planet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. This chipset is built specifically for AI and camera processing. Built on a 2nm architecture, it's not just fast, it's also incredibly power efficient. Paired with that, you're getting 24GB of LPDDR6X RAM and UFS 5.0 storage, which can go up to a massive 2TB. UFS 5.0 is so fast that you'll be copying 4K videos in seconds. To keep things cool during heavy gaming or camera use, there's an active cooling system with a tiny fan that kicks in only when you need it. You could be editing 4K video for hours or playing PUBG on HDR graphics, and this phone won't break a sweat. Battery and charging. All that powerful hardware needs a battery to match, and we're talking a 9500 mAh beast. With normal use, this thing could easily last 2 days. Heavy user, constantly shooting and editing, you're still getting a full day without any anxiety. And charging. This is where it gets insane. 150-watt ultra-fast charging that takes it from 0 to 100% in just 18 minutes. Wake up, plug it in, and by the time you're done getting ready, you're fully charged. Oh, and you're getting 50-watt wireless charging plus reverse wireless charging to juice up your earbuds or your friend's phone. Software and other features. One of the best things about Sony phones is that clean software experience. This phone would run stock Android 16, pure, uncluttered Android. No bloatware, no random apps you didn't ask for. But you still get Sony's exclusive apps like Cinema Pro, Photography Pro, and Music Pro. Price and launch date. Now for the big question. With all of this, what's it gonna cost? Alright, look, this is a concept phone. That means it's still just an idea for now. But if this ever becomes a reality, it's not going to be cheap. With all that advanced tech, titanium body, variable aperture lens, 4K display, the estimated price in the US would likely fall between $2,200 and $2,500. Yeah, I know that sounds like a lot, but remember, this isn't just a phone. It's a phone and a professional-grade DSLR camera combined. A good DSLR alone can easily cost you $1,500 to $2,000. So when you look at it that way, it's not that crazy. As for a launch date, right now, it's still a concept. But tech experts believe Sony is actively working on something like this. We might see a prototype by late 2026 or early 2027. So there you have it. Do you think a phone like this should become a reality? Would you drop that kind of cash for a phone like this? Let me know in the comments below.